Hey boys and girls, I hope everyone's doing well. I wanted to introduce something new that we're going to be doing continuously throughout our virtual learning experience. So I wanted to show you how we are going to access our new COVID-19 journals. These journals are going to be a really fun way for you guys to basically express anything that's going on in your life. Since we're not together all the time, it's going to be really important that we keep our thoughts and our feelings somewhere special. A big part of this experience is that we are making history. This has never happened before. You guys are the first generation of fourth graders to ever have to deal with this online experience due to a pandemic. So I'm going to show you the journal, but first I'm going to show you how you're going to access it. So remember, I made a fake account and you would follow the directions precisely. When you go to your Google account, you're going to see an assignment that's called the COVID-19 Journal. You can access it from the stream or you can go under classwork. Okay, there's going to be no due date. This is important. When there's no due date, that means you don't turn in your journal until I tell you to. So I press the assignment. It says that it's assigned. Press view assignment. This is really important. You press view assignment. You then see the directions. Please follow the directions, watch this video, which you're doing right now. Do not turn in or request access to edit. That's what we are trying to avoid. If you noticed in some of your homeworks recently, we're asking to request and then we're taking over other people's opportunity to fill in the work. So I created your own work. So that's why you have to press view assignment. You then will see your name right here and you can press this and this is yours. So this is going to be your pandemic journal. It says we are making history. As we have begun our school closure, I am asking for the help of all our students in creating a very important historical record. What we have seen already with regards to this pandemic is historic, and this project will preserve for future generations what the experience was like through the eyes of our school. So this is yours now. You can edit it in any way you'd like. You'll see that I put some pages in here with some ideas, but really you can do whatever you want. So here it has news articles. If you find news articles that you want to add in, maybe that would be a cool idea. You could interview people in your house. Maybe we're wondering what their reaction to this crazy pandemic is like. Or you could interview yourself. You could call a family member or a friend. You could add photos, maybe you online learning, maybe you taking a virtual test, or you working with a sibling or a parent or anybody. You could add photos. Then there's spots for you to just journal. Choose 3 random days during your break home to reflect and journal. Pick more than 3. I just put 3 for those who aren't as interested, but I think this is a really cool idea. Now, when you are done with this, you can still add. If I wanted to add another news article because I put too many on here, you can do File, you would go to Edit, Copy, okay? Then you do Edit, Paste, and another one comes up. So you can make extra copies. You could also do Command C, Command V, and you have another slide. You can make this as long as you want. Maybe you don't like these formats. You can go to the bottom and just add a slide. And you can add blank sides as well. So this is your COVID-19 pandemic journal. Now, when you're done working on it that day, all you have to do is close it. It will save to the drive. You are not XXX sharing it with me, okay? When it's time, I might say after, a couple weeks, everybody turn in their journals, then you would turn in. We do not turn in until I put it in the directions. So I'll go a little faster. You go to the assignment. There it is. There's your copy. You press it. It brings it to you. You make changes. You add whatever you want. And there you go. You then exit out when you're done. Perfect. Another example is go to classwork, view assignment. There you are. I hope this helps you guys, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon.